Hey there! Welcome back to another interesting video from DigiFix.
Today, we're going to show you how to add a glow effect in Photoshop. Open the image and select the subject area. Go to the Select menu and click on Subject. Now you can quickly select the subject. Click the lasso tool and fill in the selection on the unfilled area. Once the selection is complete, take a copy of the selected area of the image and paste it. Use the keyboard shortcuts Ctrl+C, copy, and Ctrl+V, paste. You should now see two layers in the Layers menu. Select the area where you want to add the glow effect. Once the selection is complete, take a copy of the selected area of the image and paste it again using Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V. Click on the same layer and press Ctrl+J to duplicate the layer. Select Layer 0 and adjust the brightness and contrast to make it darker. You can also adjust the levels. Temporarily hide this layer. Select Layer 2 and set the blending mode to Linear Dodge. Click on the Layer 2 copy and go to the Filter menu. Click on Blur, then select Gaussian Blur. Adjust it as needed and click OK. Group these layers together. Click on Color Balance. Right-click on it and select Create Clipping Mask. Now adjust the colors. Adjust the brightness and contrast of the various layers as needed. Unhide the previously hidden layer, add a mask, select the mask, then use the Erase tool to erase areas as shown. Download an image of the Milky Way and add it to the project. Erase parts of it to blend it in suitably and adjust the opacity.
Thanks for watching. Try these tips and let us know in the comment section.